Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Beth once again. Happy New Year! I hope you guys had an awesome Christmas, and I also pray that we all have an abundance of blessings, good health, and also happiness for 2019. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the stuff that I got for Christmas, and this will also include the items that I got for myself. So if you guys are interested with that, you can stay tuned and watch, and if you are not, you can just click out and watch my other videos. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start with the first item. So the first ones that I'm going to be showing you guys are the stuff that I got for myself. And then we'll go ahead to the stuff that I received as Christmas presents. So this is the first item that I got for myself. It's pretty heavy. This is a book. So this is the book that I got. I'm not sure how to read that one, so I'm just going to show it to you guys. A little story why I got this book is this was actually the exhibit that they had in New York City. My husband actually surprised me last Christmas or right before Christmas. He took a reservation for this one. They actually have a limit that can view per day. So my husband was able to get a reservation and we went to New York. I did take a lot of pictures and some videos, so when I get the chance, I'll make a compilation and share with you guys. Let me skim through some of the pages for you guys. There was just so much in that exhibit that I love. I got this book as like a souvenir for when we went to see the exhibit. So this was the first item that I got. So the next one that I got for myself is a scent, a perfume. This is by Tom Ford. This is the white patchouli. This is the perfume spray. Not really sure how I like the scent. It's just a little strong for my liking. So the packaging is really cute. I love the gold, and there's like a small emblem here that has TF for Tom Ford. I really love it. Just not sure if I like the scent so much, but that was one of the things that I got for myself. This is a 50 ml bottle. So the next one that I got, I have not opened it yet. Hermes perfume travel set. It contains 4 small bottles of their Hardin collection. I don't know if it's Hardin or Gardin or whatever. I have one of the perfumes that comes in this set, and I've heard that this collection is very good. So I wanted to try the other ones if they smell as good as the one that I have. I can't remember how much I bought this one, but I bought this one off of Sephora. So here is how it looks. It has the H here and the Hermes logo. So it says here, La Collection du Parfum Hardins or Gardins. So we pull that down. It has the beautiful orange Hermes box. Oh my gosh, look how tiny they are. I didn't know it was going to be this tiny. I have the Mansour Lee, this one, and I can't wait to smell. So let me just smell one of them and see if I like it. Oh, I love that box. It has that print inside the box. I love that. So let me see if I like the smell of this one. Oh, that smells so good. So I almost feel like this collection is actually their subtler scents, because even the one that I have, I love it because it is subtle and very refreshing. And the other one that I tried to smell gives you that same subtle smell but refreshing scent. So I'm gonna smell this other two later on, but yeah, this is the other one that I got for myself. So now let's go ahead and see the stuff that I got as Christmas presents. I can't even remember the other ones that I got in my stocking, but these are the bigger ones that I got. My husband got me the Very Merry Christmas Party 2019 pin. So Ralph and Vanellope is there, and we really loved the Ralph Breaks the Internet movies. It goes up like so. Ralph looks like he's wrapped in a bow of some sort, and Vanellope is wearing a Christmas hat, and there's like candies hanging around, so that's so cute. And it comes with this wreath that goes up and down like so. That is very pretty. I love that. This is a limited edition 2018 Very Merry Christmas Party pin. So that's that. And the next one is an atomizer. So he got me this and put it in my stocking. Another one that he got me is, if you guys have seen in my old videos, I have shared this one as my favorite. I've also shared this one as something that I got as a gift. So he got me this one again this Christmas. He got me a box with 10 boxes of this one. So needless to say, it is gone, and this is actually an empty box that I forgot to throw. Left it in this room. So yeah, I was able to show it to you guys. Next one that he got me was this string of lights. I've always wanted to get this one. This is actually really cute. So they're gonna look sort of like that, and they're really tiny. So yeah, he got me this one. The next one that he got me is another Piglet item. I was so excited to see it. I think he found this one in the Disney store online. It is a Christmas Piglet. Look how cute that is. It has the Christmas hat, and oh, so cute. Piglet is wearing a Christmas sweater. I'm not sure if you can actually take this out, but I have a feeling you can, because I can pull it up like so, and I can also pull this out. So yeah, this is a removable sweater. That is so cute. So that is how it looks. So adorable. Not sure how much this was, but this is priceless, you guys. Another one for my collection. Happy me. So another item that my husband got me is a Jo Malone cologne. Since buying the travel spray from Jo Malone, I really loved a couple of the scents there, and I kind of hinted and put it in the list of what could be a possible gift that he could get, and he got me this one with a black ribbon, of course. This one, this is the Nectarine Blossom Honey scent. I so love the smell of this one. It smells so good. I've read some people that they say it doesn't last that long, but for me, it lasts very long on me and also on my clothes. So when I get home, I can still smell the cologne on my clothes and also on my skin. And even on the straps of my watch, I can actually smell it in there. So that's that. And another one that my husband got me was a Nicholas Sparks book. I love the books by Nicholas Sparks, and I also love the movies. But usually if I've read a book and then they make it into a movie, I feel like the book is far more intense and far more enjoyable than the movie itself. They cut a lot of parts from the book and they make it more dramatic, and some details is not included in the movie. So I really love the book more than the movie that they release. So this is actually the new one that Nicholas Sparks released last year. This is the Every Breath, and I have not read it. I've had a lot of his books that he released. I always get them, but I have not gotten a chance to read it. So yeah, I promised myself that I'm going to be reading more this 2019. So fingers crossed I'll be able to read this one early this year. So the last but definitely not the least is this little guy in here. So this is what my husband got me. Here it is. here is the item that he got me. I so love this print. Also, I love the tab here. It is in hot pink. I'm guessing the freesia color, not sure, but I so love it. I love the blue and the pinks in here that matches with the tab. So this is made in France. Let's go ahead and check inside. So the inside also has the same color as the tab, which is the freesia or the hot pink. It has the SKU sticker, and this is the textile card. I really love my limited edition mini pochettes. I love using them as a mini crossbody, especially when you want to be hands-free and you don't want to bring a lot of stuff. I totally enjoy wearing them when we go to Disney because I can just put the essentials. My essentials when we're in Disney is definitely the hand sanitizer, a lip balm, a lipstick, and some cards. It fits perfectly and you can put a few more things inside if you want to. And I usually just bring my phone on hand with me. Since you're in Disney, you're going to be taking a lot of pictures, a lot of videos. I don't need to put my phone inside my bag. So this is a perfect size for just the essentials. So yeah, that is it, you guys. Those are the stuff that I got for myself as gifts, and also stuff that I got for my husband as Christmas presents. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys want to share what items or what stuff you got from Christmas, or if you want to share how you celebrated your Christmas, put it in the comments down below, and I would love to hear from you guys. So that is it for now. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!